We support principle. We support righteousness. We support upliftment of people. We support honesty in public life. We support delivering what the people of Jamaica are asking for. Development, using the resources that are available and not moving them into the pockets of those who are not deserving, those who are friend and company of those who hold power. That is what this government is all about. Cronyism, nepotism, and misuse of resources for their own benefit. And it's time that they have to go. And that is why we will not stop advocating for the people, advocating with good mind, because we believe in what is right and just. So people, I ask you to stay the course with us. Don't be deceived or fooled by their propaganda. Listen to what we have to say. Look into everything that they say. Analyze it carefully, because they will try to deceive you. They will try to buy you out. They will try to make you lower than you are and try to demean your integrity. We are about uplifting the Jamaican people. We put people first. Power to the people, I say. Power to the people every time. One love, comrades. Stand firm. The end of this government is nigh, and we will make it happen. Victory! Victory! Victory!